mixed perceptions on Buddhism. So, Victor, what is Buddhism for you?
For me, Buddhism for me, on my own understanding, at first I thought Buddhism has a negative effect in our community, which through time I learned and understand their religion, that they are as the same as our religion, Christianity, which they have only one God, and we have only one God, and His Son is Jesus Christ, who saved us. And Buddhism has
Also one God.
yes,
Yes.
has also one God, and Buddhism lives in a peaceful life, which they have rules to be followed, like us. Like for us, we have 10 commandments. That's all.
Oh, so lucky. How do you understand karma in your own life as a Catholic?
For me, karma, in my own understanding, is a doing of a person that will do either a bad or good in her actions or in her way, but it will also return into him or her in return much more.
So if the action is good, more like blessings would come, and if bad things would be done, bad things also bring back to the person that did the action. Right? Is that what you're
Yes,
saying?
it will bring it back more
Yes.
in return.
I think you're lucky. So, Velvio, in a scientific point of view, define Buddhism.
Buddhism has been regarded that Buddhism and science has commonalities because Buddhism has entered the science and religion dialogue. Their psychological and other teachings correlates with science because it is found in their doctrines. For example, they force or identify the investigation of nature just like science and investigate where things really came from, and they also believe other things that science says, but some other people say that these are not really found in their doctrines and the teachings of Buddhism. That's what I know about the religion science.
So, that's it. Thank you. So, Carlo, as a Catholic, what are your views on the views of salvation by the Buddhists?
My views about the religion views of Buddhists yes, they have faith in their God, but through human efforts they can be saved. If they die, then they die with no good works. They base their salvation on good works.
Okay, so thank you, Carlo. Like what you've said, Carlo, as a Catholic, how do you react on the beliefs of the Buddhists and their ways of the doctrines of salvation?
Well, I'm not that hypocrite in terms of religions because we all make mistakes. But I believe that we should stand on what we live for. in our part as Christians or Catholics, we believe that through faith, we are saved, not in good works. Once we believe that Jesus died for us, and we accept the salvation that He offered to us, we will be judged equally, and through faith we will receive.
So, like what Carlos is saying, faith with good actions will save us and can ultimately reach our goal to be in heaven.